Okay, funny enough, do you know when I went to take bread? Do you know when I went? Everybody don't take bread before I go take bread, though. Everybody don't take bread before I go take bread. I don't know. I felt like I was the last person. You understand? There's no first come, first serve. When they talk first come, first serve, you didn't talk now. I did not say first come, first serve. Okay, forget that. If you don't talk, who was from my mouth? Forget that. Forget that. Make them know they call my name, they associate my name with bread. Forget that. It's very, very sick. Forget that. Come on. What's wrong with you?
Niyi and Cross clash over slices of bread. Big Brother Naija Season 6 male housemates Niyi and Cross were caught on camera exchanging words over slices of bread. Cross accused Niyi of saying that the first person that cut the bread should have the largest share of it. However, Niyi denied the allegation, saying that he never said so. The exchange of words between the two housemates escalated when Cross asked Niyi to apologize, saying he will understand if Niyi said his choice of words were wrong rather than lying. Niyi, instead of apologizing, got angrier, maintaining that Cross called him a liar while trying to put words in his mouth. White Money and Sammy intervened. Both housemates did not apologize to each other, but rather left the scene angrily.
Well, you said it. If you want to change your term of statement that what you said was wrong, then we'll come to a different agreement. Okay, yeah, okay, what you said is wrong. And I say, okay, no what? But what you said it. It came out of your mouth. You said it. Me, well, you said it from your mouth. Listen to me. See, I don't want to see a situation whereby it's better for me to go and watch paint dry than argue with you. Come on. What are you saying? You pay me because for you to say that it's better you take confess and take. That's what you said. I'm telling you, you cannot quantify what is more.
Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please subscribe to NAIJA News and Entertainment.